The final few things are just little bits of syntax here and there that we can use to make our lives a little easier. The first one we're going to be talking about are switches. Now, switches should be a very simple concept to understand because they're just another way to write an if statement. For example, let's say I had int menu choice. Remember this from homework where we presented the user a menu and we have them enter in a choice? Well, I'm going to take a shortcut right here. I'm just going to say int menu choice equals 4 and ignore the rest of the program because that isn't relevant. The way we had written code before, we would do something like if menu choice equals 1, console write line choice 1, and then we would do menu choice equals 2, menu choice equals 3, and then we would have to say if the menu choice is not 1, 2, or 3, then say that they've written an invalid choice. This pattern is so common that many languages support the concept of a switch statement. A switch statement is just a compact way to write if statements that look like what I'm looking at right now. So let's look at the syntax. Again, it's just special syntax that allows us to do some fun stuff.